All right, well, thanks, Ron Masinda. But in our breaking news right now, news just coming in, His Majesty, the King of the Zulu Nation, King Goodwill ZWELITHINI, has died. We do know that he was admitted in hospital for diabetes treatment, and unfortunately, the King, of course, has died and did not make it.
And of course, a statement has been released here by Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi. He says, "It is with the utmost grief that I inform the nation of the passing of His Majesty King Goodwill ZWELITHINI Beku Zulu, King of the Zulu Nation. Tragically, while still in hospital, His Majesty's health took a turn for the worse, and he subsequently passed away in the early hours of this morning."
Yeah, this is indeed a sad time for the Zulu Nation, for King Goodwill ZWELITHINI and his family. I mean, the family was really hoping that he would make it out. I remember, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi numerously coming on to ENCA to just clarify to the nation that, the King was doing well in hospital. He was still there.
Yeah.
He was still being in treatment, and thanking the nation for, their prayers and their thoughts. But to see the statement right now, quite shocking, quite sad. You could hear the tone of this press statement that it really did come as a blow for the family.
It is very somber because just a week ago, last week Friday, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi did come out and reassured people that he'd gotten word from the doctors that His Majesty King Goodwill ZWELITHINI was making a recovery. He said that he would still need to spend some time in the hospital, but that Her Majesty Queen Thandekile had also been reassured that he was on the mend. So it is quite devastating to find that his glucose levels did end up dropping quite a bit, and his health did take a turn for the worst. They continue to say in the statement that on behalf of the royal family, they thank the nation for their continued prayers and support during that most difficult time.
Absolutely. We send our condolences to the King, and we'll be sure to keep you updated on the story as it develops. Just in terms of reactions, I'm sure we'll be getting across the country, sending condolences to the late King.